Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And today I'll be using the slab mold. I'll be fragrancing this with Nurture Soap's Orange Cognac, which is a new favorite. I just love it. And it's kind of a warm scent, although as it starts to cure you smell more of the sweet orange smell in it, but I love it, love it. And today's inspiration comes from 2.5 Men. Love the show or hate it. I do like it, and if you like it and you watch it, you definitely know Berta. And Berta had on an outfit I saw recently that I really liked together. She had on a heavy shirt and then a vest over it, and it was like one was sort of an olive green, but it was like really dark olive green. And I don't think I'll be able to recreate that, but I'm going to try to come close. So I'm going to use Nurture Soap's Cabin Fever, which gives kind of an olive green color. And I'm going to try to darken that with Pine Mica from Be Scented. Come as close as I can anyway. And then she had a really deep orange vest over it. So I'm going to try Nurture Soap's Marmalade, Orange Marmalade, which is a deep orange. And then I'm going to have white titanium dioxide and a little bit of black swirled in. And I think that's it. So give me a minute to get set up and we will get started. Alright, let's get started. If you watched the video last week, you saw that I did the heat transfer method, which I've been doing for quite a while now and had really good luck with it, but last week was not the case. Last week it didn't cool it down enough, and the batter was 105 degrees, and I know that the fragrance rised. So the hanger tool to the rescue, and I actually got a pretty decent looking bar out of it. It actually worked. It looks pretty good. But I did it again this week, and I used 1/3 of the water weight in ice, and that made a world of difference. I'm down to 86 degrees Fahrenheit, which is like right at the Goldilocks zone for this recipe. So I know what to do now to make it work. Use some ice. So here is our Cabin Fever, which is kind of the olive green like, which is not the color I was looking for, but it's a start. And I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to recreate that color, but I'm going to try to put a little bit of Pine Mica and see if that does it. I do not know. And if it doesn't work, it's certainly not the end of the world. Okay. Maybe that's close, and that's really, I think, all the extra mica I'm going to put in. So let's set that one aside out of the way. Next will be the orange, and it was a really deep orange, which I don't think I'll be able to recreate, but I'm going to get as close as I can with the marmalade orange. And that kind of looks like what I want, but orange doesn't seem to be the most stable, so I don't know if it will stay that or not, but I think I'm going to leave it just as it is. I don't think I'm going to do anything else with it. So let's put that out of the way. I'm going to do our white last. So this is our activated charcoal. I have just a little bit less. And finally, our white, which is titanium dioxide mixed in with hot water. Give it a quick buzz to mix it because it's been settling. And let's stir that up. And of course, this will definitely have to be stick blended. And I may even just hand stir the fragrance in. We'll see, even though I know the fragrance behaves beautifully. And I am in my Goldilocks zone temperature-wise. So let's line these up. And we'll give these a quick buzz to fully emulsify everything. It's just barely emulsified. So we'll start with our white. Orange. And our black. Probably pour in this order. Not that I really think it's going to matter. So let's get our fragrance. I am going to just hand stir it. There's a nice consistency. Because this stayed so fluid, I'm going to leave the top just like it is. And I'll scrape that excess off into something else. I've used almost all of it, so I'll just scrape that off into a real small individual mold. And I'm going to leave the top just like it is. And I will see you tomorrow for the cut. Thanks. Bye. Okay, it's time to cut our soap. I may not have gotten exactly the color I wanted, but it's close, and I didn't really think I would anyway. I wasn't expecting to. I'm not sure what color combinations I'd have to use to get that green, and probably don't have them anyway, but the pour went beautifully. My only hope is that it wasn't too thin. I do hope we have some definition in our color lines. We're going to find out. It's still a little soft because I poured it thin. Yeah, oh, that looks nice. So let's see what our bars look like. Yeah, it's definitely soft. Oh, it looks nice. Okay, so let's take a look at the other bar, the other log. Alright, and as usual, I'll finish cutting these off camera, but I'm really happy with these. And of course, I love this fragrance. And that is what I have for this week. So like always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed, and I'll see you next week. Bye, everybody.